Welcome back to another AutoWorks podcast. This one is about thankfulness. Things or stuff might be a little off or not quite normal, and sometimes that can bum you out or bring you down. I'm not always a positive person or thinker, but when I'm out of sorts, I reflect on something I've heard hundreds of times. Be thankful for what you have, and look how much better you are than 5 years or more ago. That phrase really hits home for me. I am thankful, not lucky. For my business, for my teammates, my customers, my dogs, my tractors, and most of all, my wife and family. I'm thankful for my business and teammates and customers because without that, I wouldn't be where I am today. My business has helped me make connections with people that have helped me grow and have allowed me to help others. My customers have helped me make friends and improve the way I do business. My teammates, coworkers have helped me grow myself and business to where I am today and helping me continue to grow into the future. November brings us a Thanksgiving holiday. I love Thanksgiving dinner and time off from work. I like having family around and sharing stories. Why is Thanksgiving only in November? Why not have a big dinner and get together monthly? I think more people would be in a better state of mind and a better place if we would all stop, breathe, and be thankful for what we have and where we are in life. I'm thankful for my dogs and tractors. Neither one of them talked back to me or caused me harm purposely. I may have encouraged my dogs or tractors to play a little rough, but if pain happens to me, it might be a little my fault. The most thankful person I'm thankful for is my wife. I wowed her and may have tricked her into thinking I was this great person that had his stuff together when we met 33 plus years ago. And after she said yes, that's when I took the wool off her eyes. Or maybe I'm the one with wool over my eyes, and she was up for the challenge to make me that person I thought I already was. It's probably the latter, but I'm okay with that. She has made my life mostly wonderful and helped me believe in myself. So all this talk about thankfulness and Thanksgiving, what's this have anything to do with an AutoWorks podcast? I thought these podcasts were supposed to be something about car repair, maintenance, tips, and stuff. Well, I'm getting there. About 17 or 18 years ago, I had someone believe I was an honest, hardworking person and gave me a chance to own an auto repair shop. I was not a business person and had no idea how the books were to operate, but I knew how I wanted to treat my customers. Treat them like my mom and grandma. Over the years, I've hired and trained people the way I want people and customers to be treated and respected. Those customers were thankful for the kindness and respect they received while their car was being repaired or serviced, and told their friends and family about us. My staff is friendly and caring. My technicians really like their coworkers and are always helpful to lend a hand when someone needs assistance. All of this friendly, caring, honest, helpful stuff I talk about translates into our motto: you won't find jerks at AutoWorks. We really hope you don't find jerks at AutoWorks, but especially, we hope that you don't find jerks anywhere in life, but especially not at AutoWorks. AutoWorks is thankful for our customers putting their trust for auto repairs with us. Our customers come first, and helping them understand what is needed or required to keep them safe on the road and budget for costly repairs. Our customers, along with my staff, is what has helped AutoWorks grow from 2 bays in 1996 to more than 10 bays 28 years later. Thanks to everyone over the years, our service have expanded and our warranties have been extended. Our staff does many hours of training throughout the year to improve themselves, customer service, and the repairs we are challenged with on today's evolving cars. So be thankful and happy Thanksgiving. See you in the next podcast.